Hi friends, I wanted to share some important information with you people out there who have been looking to make an income online. I think a lot of you can relate to what I'm about to say. I started online in 2004. I wound up on disability, so I was looking for ways to make a little extra income. I got online and noticed people were making money online, and I was amazed at how many opportunities were available. These opportunities were sold to me as being the best out there, so I joined. This cycle continued for 8 years, and I learned that not all of what was sold to me was true. During this time span, I also determined there was so much I didn't know and I needed to develop a new set of skills. My online marketing skills improved to the point where I became an expert at recruiting and building teams. I was fortunate enough to team up with a couple of gentlemen, and we all had different skills that complemented each other very well. We worked hard together for about 8 to 10 years, made a little money, but the companies we worked were not set up for the 98% to make a living online. Then the light bulb clicked on and we realized the real problem. You can't bring anyone with you. Within 30 to 60 days, the people you sign up in the business start quitting. Recruit 5 people and 2 quits. Bring in 20 and 5 quits. Bring in 40 and 20 quits. You can't bring them in fast enough. Our goal is to help people succeed while we do the same. We were continually searching for that opportunity where the average person working 2 jobs, some of them single parents, could succeed online without having to learn new skills. The average person not only doesn't have time, but they don't know where to begin. On top of that, there are no guarantees that the company and system they are promoting will be in business in the next 6 months. To be honest, we were searching for a company that we were convinced didn't exist. Well, thank God, we found this business, or it found us. We took a serious look at this business, got excited, and we never looked back. This is exactly what we were looking for, and we applied all our skills and built a big team. We met the CEO 16 months ago, and we were even more confident that we found a home with this company. He was very transparent and honest with us. And believe me, character matters. We made this video to start the process of helping you answer some questions you may have. Is there a unique opportunity that exists online that will change my life? Am I following a guru or mentor that does not have the ability to help me and duplicate what he is doing? The sad truth is that most gurus point to the same old recruiting techniques that fail in the long run. In reality, less than 3% of the people online make any money. The other 97% or more pay for that to happen. We have been part of many companies like this, and we finally had enough. Well, this company comes along and it just blew us away because it takes the average person and forces them to succeed. They don't need all the skills. In fact, they need very little. What if there was a company that's going to launch in 2021 that will be a unicorn company when it launches? This means that the company will be worth $1 billion on the day it opens. 100% automated. Hands-free, advertises for you. Markets for you. Builds your team for you. Recruits people for you. Sold for you. Provided all marketing materials for you. That unique company is here. The most incredible news is that for a short time you can still become a founding member of this company for $97. You can lock in your spot with this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and have guaranteed success. They will drive traffic to your site and build your business for you. We have given you the basics of this real business with proprietary products. There are more details to share, but first, you need to pull the trigger and start your future. Again, you will be able to take advantage of the following: automated advertising, automated marketing, automated leads, automated sign-ups, automated recruiting, and automated team build. They do it all. And you could be like a shareholder for $97, which could go up any day. Even if the price doubled, it would be a steal. Being part of a company that will build generational wealth. Get back with the person who showed you this video and they will provide all the additional information you will need to decide. We guarantee that when you get all the facts and you truly have the desire to make money online, you will join us on this journey. We recommend that you leave a comment below requesting additional information. We will not pressure anyone to join this company. We are simply sharing the wealth. Imagine getting a small piece of the pie from everything that went through every register in all Walmarts. We will launch in 2021. It'll be seen all over the world, and you could be part of it. What if Jeff Bezos asked you 10 to 15 years ago if you would like to be a part of Amazon? Or Bill Gates asked you the same when he started Microsoft? How about Steve Jobs with Apple? Knowing what you know today, I guarantee the answer would be yes. Do yourself a favor and check out the information. Ask the person that posted this video how you can be a part of this empire. If you are like us and sick and tired of jumping from one shiny object to another with little chance of success, then this will be a no-brainer for you. Take it from someone who has been online since 2004 and spent 10 hours per day, 6 days a week working with different companies to gain time and financial freedom. I've seen it all. I've lost tens of thousands of dollars and I can mark it. This is for the everyday person that's been looking and got slapped around and they're tired of it. They want a fair shake. This is for you. I hope to see you on the inside. Get back to the person that posted this video. God bless. A Bill Must production.